Nationwide enrollment in mortgage forbearance has been extended for homeowners due to COVID-19 through June 30th, 2021 for new enrollment. And those already in forbearance prior to last June 30th are granted an additional 6 months. It's still too early to know how this will pan out once the forbearance has been lifted and homeowners have to start paying their mortgages again, or what that will look like for homeowners who haven't been paying their mortgage and are seriously behind and can't. It's Friday, March 19th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Annapolis. Presently, there are very few foreclosure or distressed homeowner properties listed for sale in Greater Annapolis. Those buyers searching for below market deals are not finding them, and those homes that are listed for sale as a distressed property are at market value instead of the perceived deep discounts that buyers like that typically want. Demand for condos and townhouses remain brisk due to the lower entry price points between $200,000 and $400,000 as an average range. New listing inventory for detached homes was down 40.8% from last February as the median sold price rose to $634,500, an increase of 26.9% from last February 2020. Average days on the market was at 47 days. New listing inventory for attached homes in condos was down 12.9% from last February. The median sold price dropped 4.6% from February 2020 to $310,000. Average days on the market was at 35 until contract. Let's look at the inventory shift over this past week. Annapolis has a total of 104 homes for sale with a median sales price of $651,500. This reflects a further decrease in inventory from the prior weeks. 20 homes are for lease, priced between $1,375 and $6,000 per month. 21 homes were listed for sale since last Friday. 17 homes are coming soon. 28 homes went under contract since last week. 28 homes are temporarily off the market. And 24 homes went to pending, while 37 homes sold over the past week, with the highest sale in Windsor Estates for $1,700,000. Do you have specific questions regarding your circumstances? Give me a call at 443-837-5645. Also, be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our podcast. Thanks so much for liking, subscribing, and sharing. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, March 19th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Have a super weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.